Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. This is a coaster sitting on an 8x8 by 2-inch canvas. That is my inspiration piece because my computer or my hard drive or some variation on that theme ate the video, unfortunately, which would have told me very nicely how to arrange the colors because I don't exactly remember. So I'm going to try some of the ones that I think I know. I've already pre-primed this with a dry layer of paint. I'm not sure if I'll wind up having any black paint left at all. But I'm going to do a bloom base, which is white paint, Latex House paint, semi-gloss from Walmart. And I don't really want to overdo it. I don't think I mind overdoing the colors. And I think I'm going to start... Well, the colors may or may not be anything like the others, but I know a couple of them will be. That's some Mayan gold. I'm going to use a little bit of frosted berry. And I'm probably just going to blow this out. I am going to put all the colors I like in here, I guess. This is some pink carnation I haven't used for a few days because I've been having an affair with passion from primary elements. But they'll bond together very nicely, I'm sure of it. I have some leftover paint and I don't know if I can get it out or not. It's Orange Crush, and I have other Orange Crush. Yeah, that looks like it's a done. That's toast. Let's grab the other Orange Crush. And do I have two? Yes, I have one with one with Vivid Enamel, and that's this one. And the other one is with Polypore. And I can pretty much guarantee there's going to be too much paint. But I'm going to share that Orange Crush with a little bit of Orange Crush with some Big Apple in it. Whoa. And orange is often likely to take over, so it should be interesting. Speaking of passion, there's my primary element. And here is the poinsettia. I've got my little mini blower and I think I might wind up using it. I'm going to do black first. I'm going to blow those bubbles out because I can't stand it not to. I may blow them out with my breath. I'm going to use a little bit of white. Well, I will. If it'll come out. Doesn't feel like it wants to come out. I thought I checked that bottle just a minute ago. But evidently I'm mistaken. I don't know how to check that that's open yet without screwing it back in place. I think my turntable is unlevel. I'm due for another one. There, I got lucky. Hey, as long as I'm here, I'm going to use some of my PBO iridescent precious gold. Okay, here goes nothing. I think this is going to be pretty. I hope so. I've got a tray to catch paint with, should I want to pour it, and I kind of do. I didn't use my blower, but I might want to try it. I'm caught on something. Kind of hate to blow it so hard it goes down into the layer of white. Trying to learn how to avoid that. I'm not seeing many cells come up in the middle, but I'm not done yet either. And it does take a few minutes, a lot of times, for cells to come up. That's my story and I'm sticking with it. Doesn't keep me from wanting to use a straw. I don't think it's possible I use too much paint, just based on the fact that I see people use a lot of paint all the time. I'm going to grab a skewer with a paintball on the end, hopefully. And hope that my turntable works well enough to do something. We'll give it a try. Wish I could. Oh, I just lost it. I'm going to give that a bit of a tip because I want it to go everywhere. It might be pretty. I'm not sure that the orange crush or the orange crush with Big Apple were in the right areas, but I am sure that I love this over here, which makes me wonder if maybe if I put some more of my Primary Elements Passion in there and some white cell activator. If I could maybe make a different kind of design, and I'm liking what I'm seeing. I want to do it again somewhere else because I like it so much. But just doing a little more here. I'm liking when the white shows up a lot, more than I was anticipating. Let's do a little bit here. I think I want a straw. There we go. I need to get some paint off that canvas. Try and put it in a place where if I can get it up again I can transfer it to something else. It's not really going the way I anticipated, but I'm pretty sure that I can make a silk purse out of a sow's ear more often than not. So I'm not going to complain. I am just going to keep doing whatever I want, which in this case is popping that bubble or removing that object. As long as there isn't another object attached to the front of my tweezers. Let's try. Yep, that'll work. I like that. That's fine. Let's put it where we want it. I want to try some gold, which I compulsively close the top of. I'm really tempted to just go ahead and keep adding color where I want to. I was so certain I couldn't make this happen. Oh well. I'm going to make something happen. Just pull those little edges down. I don't need any black, I have decided, conveniently enough. I really should pour some more off of this. But I did make sure to put some GAC 800, which might have made a difference now that I think about it. I put some GAC 800 into my white paint before I started. I want some more poinsettia over there. It's pretty, so I'm not going to complain. Actually, put some poinsettia and a little more passion. I like doing these little tiny blooms. Oh, I don't want black over there. I mean, I don't want white over there. Black comes out kind of fast though. They look like little buds. I like the black here too. I don't know what I'm going to do about that excess of paint in the center. But I am going to try some more cell activator. I wish I could just soak it up with something, but I like what I have, so I'm not going to say that I'm going to change it. It's too bad all that orange crush went to waste. Probably taking too much of a risk there. Put that in the bucket. Well, I like the colors. And I like the cells. There aren't as many of them as I anticipated. But if you like what I do, give me a thumbs up. Even though it might be considered a little unconventional to say the least. I put my skewer down. There it is. Alright, where was I? Oh, I have over 2,500 videos, so if you guys need something else to watch, I'm your girl. Just ask me for a link if you want, because I've got them all saved by topic and genre, and by the 100. They're also easy to find if you're familiar with going to my YouTube channel. That's what I was looking for right there. I saw a place I wanted to spiral. I don't think I'm ever going to get bored with spirals. I am going to hope that this dries without too many cracks. And I kind of wonder if that's going to be the case or not. Because it's pretty heavy in the center. But never mind, I will try and shimmer the situ. As long as I have a phone handy. Pretty colors. I'm very tempted to try it again. I might touch up my edges a little bit. It is pretty. It's just not what I expected. If I have any bubbles like that one, I will be popping them. I often get a little nodule in the center of my spirals. I've got some other things in there that I like. I like quite a bit about this actually. I got some warped hearts, sort of like mine. And I love you guys. Take care of each other, take care of yourself. Check out some of my 2,500 videos as I suggested. Please give me a thumbs up. Share my videos if you're of a mind to. It helps me and my channel out. I do sell my artwork. I have lots of merchandise, spring clothing below the video on The Gallerist. The Gallerist is on the link tree along with pixels.com, Fine Art America, Society 6. And my Amazon link is on the link tree. 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. They are my first and my second 100 videos for YouTube. Thank you guys for the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. And thank you for the donations. There's a PayPal icon on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. And if you use it, you'll be entitled to a free 15-minute consultation with me for 30 days from the time that you make your donation. I will see you guys anon. I just want to keep that on. It's so pretty with the light on it. Oh, I just got some clear coat today. I'll have to make a video with me using it to see how it works. It promises to be something I'm interested in. It's not a typical varnish. It's a poly, a water-based poly. Anyway, so you guys take care of each other. I think I said that already. And you're going to be gone in a second. But I want another spiral right there. That feels better to me. I will see you guys anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Let's just zoom in a second. Make sure you see everything. Bye. I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. Keep coming back. Oh, I'm posting now at 3:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So check me out. I'll see you soon. Hopefully. Maybe tomorrow. Bye now.